Assalamu alaikum everyone, and today we will discuss lecture number 34, and I have collected all these vocabulary facts and figures from Dawn newspaper. Asim Sajjad Akhtar has written an opinion in Dawn newspaper, student terrorists. So I have collected these vocabulary from that special opinion. So the first one is parochial. So its meaning is narrow-minded, sectarian, pity. A parochial mentality or parochial mind is used mostly for fundamentalist or extremist groups, just like in Pakistan. Next one is maneuvering. So its meaning is uh, move skillfully or carefully. Another meaning is trek. Maneuvering is mostly done by politicians in Pakistan because in politics, in elections, so such tactics are used. Next one, prophecy. So its meaning is prediction, foretelling, forecast. पेशन गोई करना, just like forecast used for rain. Next one, espouse. So the meaning of espouse is to express support for a cause or a belief. Next one, disillusioned. So illusion is basically a term in psychology, and when there is disillusioned, so its meaning is freed from wrong ideas or disenchanted. So disenchanted is a totally different meaning, but as for in medical terms, so disillusioned meaning is to free someone from wrong ideas. Next one, supremacist. So its another meaning is racialist or racist. Just like in India, BJP or Brahman Hindus are supremacists. Next one, goons. One day, a silly, a foolish or eccentric person. So for such people we use the term goons. Next one, a nexus. So the meaning of nexus is connection, link, relation, bondage. Next one, multifarious. So something which have many aspects, numerous. Next one, officialdom. So the people in an organization or government departments who are in positions of authority. So Pakistani bureaucracy, judiciary, so all these are officialdom because these people are in charge of different organizations and the heads of different departments. Next one, negate, nafi karna, nullify, make ineffective. Next one, erstwhile, so something which is in the past or former, pehle se. Next one, demise. So the meaning of demise is something which come to an end or an end of life, a person's death, just like the demise of Bhutto, the demise of Ziaul Haq, the demise of Benazir Bhutto, the demise of Liaquat Ali Khan, like that. Next one, insular. So its meaning is small-minded or narrow-minded, just like in parochial. Next one, demonize. So its meaning in Urdu is shaitan banana, to make someone wicked or to portray as wicked and threatening. Next one, repression. So its meaning is suppression, subduing, crushing, squashing, stamping out. Next one, disparaging. So its meaning is severe criticism or critical, to belittle someone or something, to belittle the importance or value of someone or something, and its meaning is tawheen amaz. Next one, trimmed. So neat and orderly. So its meaning is trimmed. Next one, linger. So its meaning is derpa, and the meaning of linger is to move slowly, to delay, crawl just like a snail, delay, dawdle, or dwindling. So all these are the synonyms of linger. Next one, bubbled. So something that lacks firmness, solidity, and reality. Next one, metropolis. Just like mega cities or big cities or major cities or urban center, just like Karachi in Pakistan, London, New York, New Delhi, uh, Paris, like that. Next one, lament. So the meaning of lament is to express sorrow, regret, or unhappiness about something or something. Next one, premeditated. So its meaning done or made according to a plan. पहले से तयशुदा. Next one, opprobrium, जुल्म करना. Criticism, defamation, castigation, vilification, badnaam karna, sitam, zulm. Next one, bear. So exposed. Next one, atrocity, a very cruel or terrible action, brutality. So the armed forces of Israel has done too much havoc and atrocities on the innocent people of Gaza. Next one, intimidation. So its meaning is to make someone afraid. Next one, diligent, mehnati, active, industrious, hardworking, laborious. Next one, adjudicate. So to make an official decision about who is right in our dispute. So the main function of the judiciary in any country is the adjudication of legal cases. And the last one is a naivety. So its meaning is innocence. So it's all for today. At the end, I will suggest a very interesting and knowledgeable book, Pakistan, a Hard Country, which was written by Anatole Levin. And Alhamdulillah, I have read this whole book and I found it very interesting, quite insightful, and it helped me a lot in building my analysis, my opinions. And this book I think is very important for Pakistan affair to learn about Pakistani society, because the author has done tremendous research, interviews, analysis, and observation on Pakistani system, on the society of Pakistan, so and all that. So it's all for today. Stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates, and may the blessing of God never cease upon you, and good luck.